A1 English listening. Who is your favorite?
Hi, I'm Yuki. Today, I want to tell you about two of my favorite people. My favorite relative is my cousin, Noriko. She lives in Japan. She is about 30 years old. She is a scientist, and she works in a lab. I like Noriko because she is smart, kind, and fun. When I visit Japan, we usually go shopping and exercise together. We also like watching TV and singing karaoke. Another one of my favorite people is my coworker, David. He is in his 40s. We work together at a financial firm in Atlanta. I like David because he is happy, relaxed, and very nice. During our lunch break, we like getting coffee together. We also like hanging out on the weekends. Sometimes we play golf or go out for dinner and drinks. Noriko and David are two of my favorite people, and I'm so thankful to have them in my life.